Hi, I'm Megan Smith. I'm the U.S. Chief Technology Officer, and how awesome is it that there's Open Data Day, March 5th, and all of this activity, thousands of different gatherings and people doing work before and after this day, as well as on the day for hackathons, and really using the data that we have to solve some of our most intractable problems together. Some of my favorite things that have been happening, whether it's sort of the very historic work that things like NOAA, here in the U.S., our national weather and oceanographic, other teams on which the weather industry sits, or whether it's in the U.S. Geological Survey and our various mapping sort of base layer open data sets that are now open, of course, and you see all of the mapping industry and the geo industries on top of that. Some of my favorite, of course, is the disaster response work that the OpenStreetMap teams do. We saw extraordinary response most recently in Nepal. We always see them step up and help map the roads and buildings and locations so the responders can get in there. What a great use of the internet and crowdsourcing and teamwork together with these base layers of open data that we have. The president has opened over 200,000 data sets since coming into office, and that lives in kind of the open library of data.gov, that category and catalog place where you can go and find those data sets and pull them. And of course, so many state and local leaders similarly opening up the data sets for their communities. And whether we see that in sort of justice and policing, or in climate work, or in education, or in transit and how to get buses, and all this great service that we can do with the data science and the products and the tools and the visualizations that we can do on top of this. So think of that library place that's now open with all this stuff, together with almost like the marketplace or the party that can be thrown there. In fact, the health teams here in government have the Health Data Palooza, which is a really incredible event that gathers thousands of people for a week to work on the health data sets that have been opened by this government, by other governments, and by the local leaders as well, and some of the private sector. So it's an exciting day. I encourage everyone to get involved, really stretch that into our youth, because making things really interesting and having them understand that data science is a big part of the President's initiative for Computer Science for All. It includes app making and data science and a user interface design and art and all the pieces that our digital world is, digital marketing, et cetera. Data science is a big part of it. So thank you for doing your work. I can't wait to see all the things that come out of this from across the planet as we advance the goals that each of us and we have as a community. And as the U.S. Chief Data Scientist, DJ Patil, says, data science is a team sport. So come together and let's get this stuff done. Thank you very much.